Hello, ma'am. I'm here to pick up the milk and rice.
Hi, sweetie. Can you please show me your social security number or state ID?
What is that? I don't have one. I don't have parents either.
I'm really sorry, sweetheart. But without ID or a social security number, I can't give anything out. It's the policy.
I just need a little bit of rice. I don't even have a name.